You have the revenue, you have the business plan, but the lender still said no. If you've been rejected for capital, it's usually not for the reason they told you in the rejection letter. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 silent killers of a funding deal. The first reason is poor debt service coverage. Having revenue isn't enough. You need enough cash flow to cover the new debt plus a buffer. Lenders are not looking at top-line income. They're looking at whether your business can comfortably carry the obligation. You need to structure your P&L to clearly demonstrate serviceability before you ever apply. The second reason is customer concentration. If a large portion of your revenue, say 60% or more, comes from a single client, you immediately look risky to a lender. One lost contract could destabilize the entire business. Diversifying your contracts and revenue streams is what makes you truly bankable. The third reason is a mismatch in the use of funds. Many borrowers ask for working capital when they should be asking for equipment financing, or the reverse. This signals a lack of understanding in how capital should be structured. The timeline of the asset must match the timeline of the loan. Short-term needs require short-term capital, and long-term assets require longer-term financing. The fourth reason is inconsistent financial storytelling. You might present a strong growth narrative, 20% year-over-year, expansion plans, momentum, but your financial statements or tax returns tell a completely different story, perhaps even showing losses. Lenders rely on documentation, not just verbal positioning. Your narrative must align perfectly with your financials. The fifth reason is operational messiness. This includes issues like commingling personal and business funds, unclear expense tracking, or disorganized financial records. To a lender, this creates doubt about control, discipline, and transparency, all of which are critical in underwriting. Most business owners try to fix these issues after they've already been rejected. At Equus Capital Finance, we address them before you ever speak to a lender. If you want a diagnostic on your business, contact us.